Good morning, Wave fam from Portland, Oregon.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell to follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. As I said, we are in Portland, Oregon. That is Lloyd Center. We parked there again. It's a great tip to save money on parking if you need to go downtown and then take the max. Totally don't do that.
On one of our live streams, Chris said, hey, I want to take you guys to Voodoo Donuts. Are you coming to Portland? And I was like, yes, we are.
We are horribly late. We do not like to be late, and we're about 30 minutes late, so this is not good. Sorry, Way fam. It's not how we normally do it.
On the weekend, I think it's dead in the city.
Yeah, Portland is interesting like that. On the weekend, it kind of dies downtown.
Yeah, I like it. Makes you feel more like a local than like with a bunch of tourists. We're going to freaking Voodoo Donuts here in Portland, and they're very well known for having a ton of people in line. Do you hear that bird? So beautiful. Spring is coming.
I think you might have ADD.
I love the birds.
I feel like I kind of know you guys. Yeah. I know we're new to you guys.
Yeah. All right, copy down. We're gonna go for a walk now.
Okay, so our home.
You see anything you want?
No, man, there's so many good looking ones. I just saw everything on it and wanted it.
What's actually on it?
Okay, so this is peanut butter drizzle and Oreos and chocolate frosting. And I don't know if it's filled with anything, but it looked really amazing. I was torn between this and the apple fritter, or they have a peach fritter, I think.
That's kind of like their signature.
This is called the Voodoo doll. It's the Voodoo,
It's like their logo basically.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then she got a cherry cream inside. I think it's one of their specialties right now, like just a limited time.
Seasonal or something?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Grab your bacon.
And then I, of course, went all out crazy and got bacon on a maple bar.
It looks really good. Yum.
That's really good with real bacon on it. Nice salty against the maple. Perfect. Quick facts about Voodoo Donuts. It's sort of iconic for Portland. I think it was featured on some travel food network at some point, and now there's lines that sometimes wrap around the block. We got lucky this morning, but one thing to note, it's cash only, and there's really no seating inside, so if it's kind of a crummy day, you can come down to Stumptown, which is what we did, and eat your donuts inside. It's nice to buy a cup of coffee while you're at it too.
Oh, they were amazing. That was so fun. I love meeting up with Way fam, like people who know who we are, because it just makes it so easy for conversation, because all I want to do is learn about them. But on our road trip that we're leaving on in just a few days, we're going to meet more Way fam, which I'm really excited about, and we kind of set it up that way. But right now, we are going to go to OMSI here in Portland, and we're meeting up actually with some more friends. They are Way fam, but they've been friends of ours for a long time.
OG Way fam.
Yeah.
OMSI is the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. It is a fairly famous attraction here in Portland, and it's a Sunday. There's a lot of people here, and it looks like it's just real popular right now. We've checked in now. We got our friends behind us, John and Danae and Ashley. So we're here with their kids, and we're just going to be checking this place out. We actually have a submarine tour happening shortly. I think we can show you the inside of a submarine. It's something I used to work on, and John did as well back in the day. Easy peasy, yeah. Good job. There's a bunch of different attractions here. You can go see a theater, you can see lots of different demonstrations, but we are choosing to use our tickets to go see the submarine. I was a civilian contractor for the Navy for a while, and I used to work on these all the time. It's kind of deja vu. What do you see?
Right where Ashley is. Right here. You want to look in one? Sure.
Yeah, get there.
Why you'd want to sleep with thousands of pounds of explosives. Well, these were the most desirable rooms on the ship because it's 30 degrees cooler in here than in any other room. There's a number of different torpedoes here. This is a Mark 14. This would have been used during World War II.
Our tour guide was just mentioning how powerful a Mark 48 torpedo was. I think it was a Mark 48. It's so explosive that it evacuates the water from underneath a carrier, and the lack of structural integrity causes the aircraft carrier to buckle. That is pretty impressive for a single torpedo. What's this guy doing here? Well, that was super cool. If you've never been on a submarine before, that's probably one of the only ways you'll be able to see something in almost the exact look and condition that it would really be if it were still active today. So decommissioned in I think 93 or 91, and then they brought it here to the OMSI in 93, something like that. So not even that old.
Oh man! Oh! Yeah, you did it.
There's a bunch of really cool exhibits here. It's fun for the kids. There's like no rules, no signs like don't do this, don't do that. It's practically a total free-for-all with kids in here, and it's awesome. They're loving it. I swear it flies better if you have the right paper.
I can see it. Yeah.
Got me. That hurt my feet, so I'm gonna stop.
All right, that was fun, so fun. I really like the OMSI. I always wanted to come here when we were here, living here, but we never got the chance to. So yeah, it worked out really great.
And in Seattle, we have this thing called the Science Center, which is similar to this. But to be honest, I think this is better than the Science Center.
I have like a lot of good memories from the Science Center,
Sure.
so it's hard for me to say that. But this is really cool, and if you have kids, it's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I found it fun, and for kids especially, it's all hands-on, like basically no limit. Just go wild. Just don't whack people, and you're fine.
Yeah, thank you so much to Chris and Lydia for taking us around in Portland,
It's so fun.
going to Voodoo. Like, guys, it's just so fun to hang out with new people and meet really awesome people, which they were incredible people. And I can't wait to meet more of you while we're on our road trip. So
We had a fun time in Portland. Yesterday's video, we did our very first Patreon suggested food to try. Coming up on the road trip, we're going to be trying stuff in New Orleans. So if you're a Patreon, keep an eye out for that poll coming up. And in our next video, we are going on a road trip.
we are going to start road tripping from Washington State all the way down to Florida. So yeah, be ready for that. It's going to be pretty
Stay
cool.
tuned. And check our schedule. We'll probably have it listed in the description. So if you're in a town and we're coming through, we may be able to meet up, maybe.
That would be amazing.
All right, we'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.